Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel. If you ever wanted to turn your creative ideas into a passive income stream, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into Amazon Merch on Demand, one of the best platforms out there to make money by simply uploading designs. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone who can't draw a stick figure, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, scale, and succeed with Amazon Merch on Demand. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Don't forget to watch until the end, as I always save the best tips for last. First off, what is Amazon Merch on Demand? It's Amazon's print-on-demand service where you upload designs, choose products to place those designs on, like t-shirts, hoodies, and pop sockets, and Amazon handles the rest. They print the product, ship it to the customer, and even handle customer service. You just sit back and earn royalties. What's really cool is that there's no upfront cost, so you don't need to have to invest in inventory or worry about shipping logistics. It's the perfect way to dip your toes into e-commerce without the usual headaches. Let's start with the basics, signing up. To join Amazon Merch on Demand, you need to apply for an invitation. And don't worry, because it's pretty straightforward. Here's how you do it. Head over to merch.amazon.com and click Request Invitation. You'll be asked to fill out some basic information like your business name. This can just be your personal name if you're a solo creator, your website or social media profiles, and your tax information. Step number 2. Now, here's a pro tip. Make sure your application stands out. If you have a portfolio or a strong social media presence, link to that. Amazon wants to see that you're serious about selling and that you have the potential to bring traffic to their platform. Once your application is submitted, it might take a few weeks to hear back. In the meantime, start brainstorming some design ideas. After you're approved, you'll start in the Tier 10 level, meaning that you can only upload 10 designs. And don't worry though, this is just the beginning. As you sell more shirts, you'll level up through the tiers, unlocking more design slots. So how do you tier up? It's simple, with sales. Once you sell 10 items, you'll typically get bumped up to the next tier, which is tier 25, then tier 100, and so on. Focus on quality over quantity, especially in the beginning. Each slot is valuable, so make sure that your designs are top-notch and optimized for what people are searching for. Alright, let's talk about the secret sauce to success on Amazon Merch. Niche research. Choosing the right niche can make or break your success. You want to find niches that are popular enough to have demand, but not so saturated that you can't compete. And here's how you find the profitable niches. Use the Amazon search bar. Start typing keywords related to your interests and see what autofills. This gives you an idea of what people are actively searching for. Check out tools like Merch Informer. It's a paid tool, but it's worth it. It helps you analyze competition, find trending niches, and even spy on what's selling well for other merch sellers. Don't forget Google Trends. It's free and shows you how search interest for specific keywords has changed over time. You can even set it to notify you when a certain keyword starts trending. Once you've found a niche, dig deeper. Look at the top-selling designs in that category and ask yourself, what can I do differently? How can I add my unique twist? Now comes the fun part, designing your merch. You don't need to be a professional designer to create something that sells. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark are great for beginners, while more advanced users might prefer Photoshop or Illustrator. Here are some tips for creating killer designs. Tip number 1, keep it simple. Bold, clear text and simple graphics often perform better than overly complicated designs. Think about designs that can be seen and understood from a distance. Number 2, follow the trends, but don't just copy. If you see a trend like retro fonts or 80s aesthetic, put your own spin on it. Remember that the goal is to stand out. Tip number 3, use high quality images. Amazon recommends using designs with a resolution of 300 dpi. Blurry or pixelated designs will not only look bad, but also might get rejected. Tip number 4, think about the audience. Who is this design for? A niche audience like pet lovers or gamers. Tailor your design elements like colors, fonts, and slogans to appeal to them specifically. And don't forget that Amazon has strict content guidelines. No copyrighted material, no offensive content, and nothing misleading. Play by the rules to avoid getting your designs rejected. Once you've got your design ready, it's time to upload it to Amazon. Here's a quick step-by-step. Step number 1, log into your Amazon merch dashboard and click Create. Step number 2, choose your product type. Start with t-shirts. They're the most popular and a great way to test your designs. Step number 3, upload your design. Make sure that it fits Amazon's template, which you can download directly from the platform. Step number 4, title and describe your product. This is crucial for searchability. Use relevant keywords in your title, bullet points, and description. For example, if your design is a funny cat meme, make sure funny cat t-shirt is in the title. Step number 5, set your price. The average price for a t-shirt on Amazon merch is around $19.99, but you may want to start lower to attract buyers and tier up faster. Choose your colors and fit types. Offering a variety of colors can increase your chances of a sale, but remember that some colors work better with certain designs. And that's it! You hit publish and your design is live on Amazon. Now it's time to sit back and let the sales roll in. Or not, because we're just getting started. If you want your designs to be found, you need to optimize your listings for Amazon SEO. And here's how. Tip number 1, keyword research. Use tools like AMZ Suggestion Expander to find long-tail keywords. These are specific phrases that might have less competition but higher conversion rates. For example, instead of just funny t-shirt, try funny cat t-shirt for woman. Tip number 2, optimize your title. Your title should include your main keyword, but also be descriptive enough to catch someone's eye. Something like funny cat t-shirt for woman, cute kitty meme tee works well. Tip number 3, bullet points and descriptions. Use these areas to naturally incorporate keywords and tell the customer why they should buy your product. Mention things like high quality cotton, perfect gift, or available in multiple sizes. And tip number 4, leverage backbend keywords. These are keywords that you can add in your merch dashboard that aren't visible to customers but help Amazon's algorithm understand what your product is about. Use synonyms and related phrases here. Publishing your design is just the beginning. To really drive sales, you'll need to do some marketing, and here are some strategies to consider. Number 1, of course, is social media. Share your designs on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience and engage with your followers to build a community. If you have some budget to spare, try running ads on Facebook or Instagram. Target specific demographics that match your niche. For example, if you're selling hiking-themed shirts, target outdoor enthusiasts. Leverage influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche who can promote your merch. This can be particularly effective if you're in a visual niche like fashion or home decor. If you have an existing email list, send out a blast featuring your new designs. Offer a discount code to encourage sales. You can create blog posts or YouTube videos that tie into your designs. For example, if you're selling fitness-themed merch, you could create a blog post on workout tips that subtly promotes your products. Occasionally, Amazon merch allows you to run promotions like discounts or BOGO deals. Take advantage of these to boost visibility and sales. Once you've got a few sales under your belt, it's time to think about scaling. Here's how you can take your Amazon merch business to the next level. Once you're comfortable with t-shirts, start adding other products like hoodies, tank tops, or even pop sockets. The more products that you offer, the more opportunities you have to make a sale. As you get more feedback and data, refine your designs. Pay attention to what's selling and what's not. Consider hiring a professional designer to help you create more polished and complex designs. If you're in the lower tiers, consider pricing your items lower to increase sales volumes quickly. The faster you tier up, the more designs you can upload and the more potential income you can generate. As your business grows, consider outsourcing tasks like design creation or listing optimization. Use tools like Merch Titan's automation to help scale your uploads and manage your store. You can also use the analytics provided in your merch dashboard to track your performance. Look for trends in what's selling and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common pitfalls that many new merch sellers face and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1 is ignoring Amazon's content guidelines. Always double check your designs against Amazon's content policies. Avoid using trademarked phrases or images and steer clear of anything that could be seen as offensive or misleading. Mistake number 2 is relying on one niche. While it's important to have a niche, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversify your designs across multiple niches to increase your chances of success. Mistake number 3 is not investing in design. Remember that quality matters. If you're not a strong designer, it's worth investing in professional help. Poor designs won't sell, no matter how well you market them. Mistake number 4 is overpricing. Be realistic with your pricing, especially in the beginning. Consider starting with a lower price to attract buyers and then gradually increasing it as you build a customer base. And mistake number 5 is neglecting marketing. Don't just rely on organic traffic from Amazon. Actively market your designs through social media, content creation, and paid ads to drive more sales. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting and succeeding with Amazon Merch on Demand. From researching niches to creating designs, optimizing your listings, and scaling your business, you now have all the tools that you need to turn your creative passion into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth e-commerce and passive income strategies. And hey, if you're already on Amazon Merch, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it's going for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and keep hustling.